Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation binomial distribution. Introduction. Binomial distribution was discovered by James Bernoulli in 1738. This is a discrete probability distribution. A discrete probability distribution applicable to the scenarios where the set of possible outcomes is discrete, such as a coin toss or a roll of dice, can be encoded by a great list of the probabilities of the outcomes known as the probability mass function. Definition of binomial distribution. If x is discrete random variable with probability mass function. Binomial distribution formula. P of x is equal to n c x p raised to x of 1 minus p raised to n minus x, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 n and q is equal to 1 minus p. Then x is a binomial variable and the distribution of x is called binomial distribution. What is binomial distribution? The word binomial literally means two numbers. A binomial distribution for a random variable x, known as binomial variate, is one which there are only two possible outcomes, success and failure, for a finite number of trials. Note that however we define success and failure, the two events must be mutually exclusive and complementary, that is, they cannot occur at the same time. Mutually exclusive and sum of their probabilities is 100% complementary, where pq should be greater than 1. P plus q is equal to 1 because probability cannot be more than 1. X is discrete random variable which may take one only countable number of distinct values such as 1, 2, 3. Assumptions for binomial distribution. For each trial there are only two possible outcomes on each trial, success and failure. The number of trial n is infinite. For each trial the two outcomes are mutually exclusive. P of x is equal to p is cannot p. P of f is equal to q is equal to 1 minus p. The trial are independent. The outcome of a trial is not affected by the outcome of any other trial. The probability of success p is cannot from trial to trial. Problems. A quiz consists of 10 multiple choice questions. Each question has 5 possible answers, only one of which is correct. Pat plans to guess the answer to each question. Find the probability that Pat gets A. 1 answer correct, B. all 10 answer correct. Solution. N is equal to 10, P is equal to 0.2. A. P of 1 is equal to 10 factorial. 1 factorial bracket 10 minus 1 factorial bracket 0.2 raised to 1 bracket 1 minus 2 raised to 10 minus 1 is equal to 10 bracket dot 2 bracket dot 8 raised to 9 is equal to dot 2684. P of 10 is equal to 10 factorial upon 10 factorial of 10 minus 10 factorial multiply 0.2 raised to 10 multiply 1 minus 2 raised to 10 minus 10 is equal to 1 multiply dot 2 raised to 10 of 1 is equal to 0.0001. Conclusion. The main normal distribution is a discrete probability distribution used when there are only two possible outcomes for a random variable success and failure. Success and failure are mutually exclusive. They cannot occur at the same time. The binomial distribution assumes a finite number of trials n. Basically anything you can think of that can only be a success or failure can be represented by a binomial distribution. If a new drug is introduced to cure a disease, it either cures the disease, it's successful, or it doesn't cure the disease, it is a failure. If you purchase a lottery ticket, you are either going to win money or you aren't. A machine is known to produce on average 2% defective components. As an engineer, you might need to know the probability that 3 items are defective in the next 20 products. Basically anything you can think of that can only be a success or a failure can be represented by a binomial distribution. Thank you.